Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. Now all we need to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Right now I've got this update icon, but trust me, we've got the three dots icon usually there. So tap on it and then tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here you can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time. It's up to you. And then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, because those are basic, let's say, then you need to tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I'll remove everything. Here we need to change the time range again. We have to do it separately, and then tap on delete data. And we just got back. As you can see here, we've got the information, and it means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.